Run it up!
Don't forget to like and subscribe for update related to health. Share your thought, leave a comment below. Get rid of mold safely, naturally, and permanently. Mounting evidence linking mold in the house with a range of health issues. Growing mold is a serious health risk, especially for children. For one thing, exposure to mold can adversely affect your joints, nervous system, brain and most importantly, your immune system. It has even been linked to cancer development. Although most people opt for commercial cleaning products, these are usually laden with harsh chemicals, which produce harmful fumes. Once inhaled, these fumes enter your system and affect your overall health. These are the top 4 natural solutions for removing mold at home. 1. Vinegar. Acidic in nature, vinegar can destroy 99% of bacteria, 82% of mold, and 80% of germs. The method is quite simple. Use undiluted white distilled vinegar which you have stored in a spray bottle. This makes the application easier. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most effective household ingredients. You can use it with vinegar and water or alone with water. The effects are amazing. Combine some baking soda with water or make a water-vinegar solution, then spray on the moldy surface. Leave it to act, then scrub and wipe clean with a wet cloth. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. 3% hydrogen peroxide is the simplest and least expensive solution to growing mold in the house. What you do is mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda and vinegar. Use equal parts of all ingredients. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle and apply on the moldy area. Let it act for 10 to 15 minutes before you scrub and wipe it clean. 4. Tea tree oil. Although expensive, tea tree oil is extremely beneficial for mold removal. It's ideal for smaller mold surfaces. Mix 2 teaspoons tea tree oil with 1 cup water. Spray the solution onto the affected area and let dry. Hey, I ask you for favor, subscribe our channel, like and comment, share with your friend and family.